Ibishdu buddies. This is Fedder's Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. Hey, buddy. Hey, what's those scratches? How'd that get broke? These two are very pregnant, and they are very close to giving us kids. So, we must get ready for kids. We're probably 2 weeks out. So we have Super Wide and the boss goat Mavis. And we have Oreo, who is not near as big, but she is progressing along quicker than Mavis. We had a third goat that was our favorite goat. She wasn't near as mischievous as Oreo. She was just a chill, laid-back goat. But unfortunately, we lost her. Our vet told us it was listeria. Yeah, looking back, we should have seen the signs sooner. We thought she was just cold, dehydrated. So yeah. So today's Saturday. I'm not working today, but we do have stuff to do around the farm for sure. We gotta definitely get on this goat stanchion thing and work out the bugs. So we gotta shave some teats, some udders. Oreo's starting to bag up, so we gotta get on it. We didn't even have her a day, and our big hefty dog chewed her ear right off. They're getting along now, but so we ran out of duck feed, chicken feed, everything. We got our feed from the neighbor. He's got a organic chicken farm, but he don't have chickens, and I didn't know that. So he don't have any feed. Crap! So we're going to Tractor Supply. We're going to town. Let's go to town. Take big buddy Baloo with us and go to Tractor Supply. Come over here to my father-in-law's house and see what he's doing. Borrow a set of sawhorses because mine are tied up on something, you know. So let's see what he's getting into today. All right, buddy, I'm leaving. Don't miss me too much today. Man, you lock up like a deer in headlights. Look at him. Just. Get that and go. Hey, no cussing on the YouTubes. We're PG, buddy. So we're working with some reclaimed lumber here. Some of the stuff I dug out of the dumpster when they were building the big barn here. So we don't really have any plans. We're just making do with what we have. Well, I guess it's good I dug this floor sheeting out of the dumpster. It's gonna come in handy for this milk stanchion. It's a little awkward, but we're gonna make it work one way or the next. How to shave the back end of a goat. Spread the girl. She got floor she needs brushed. Relax, girlfriend. Relax. She's eating away, eating her corn I gave her. She has to learn how to spread her legs so we can milk her, but I think it'll be all right. We shaved her back down here a little bit. She's got little teats. Come on. Spread your leg. Don't kick. Don't kick. We're going to get a rope if that's going to be the case. You'll learn. She pooped, but that's all right. She's okay with us playing with her udder at least. You know, we're going to have to do it. She'll have to get used to it. We have half a goat on the floor, but that project's all but done. We have some fine tuning, make a ramp so her fat butt can get up there without having to jump too far. You know where you, especially Mavis. Your sister is fat. So there we go, Bovas. In the immortal words of our Uncle Red Green, if the women don't find you handsome, they can at least find you handy. So we got ourselves a goat stanchion. We got to figure out the ramp and clean up some things. But generally speaking, we're good to go. So I'm gonna have to carry it down to the shack I have built for him, because my tractor's out of gas and I'm not going back to town. So we'll see if that gets done. We're running out of time though today, and tomorrow's the Lord's day of rest.